Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to share with you how you can make chamomile tea for hair growth and to treat dandruff and to promote hair growth. So like it smells nice, friends, like the smell. Oh my goodness, it's so heavenly. It's so beautiful. And the color, have you seen? It's so perfect. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end and see how we made it so that we can also make it at home. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So on this channel, I upload videos every day on classic lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to take care of yourself, and I'm so passionate about, taking care of our natural hair. So actually, I'm in protective hairstyle, though I didn't share this protective hairstyle. Yes, so this is a protective hairstyle that I'm in at the moment. Yes, until, it clocks at least 3 weeks or 1 month, because initially we are in a challenge of 6 months of growing our natural hair. So we are actually in the second month. It started in on 7th February. Of course, you are not late. You can even do it 3 months. Yes, but it is a 6 months hair challenge. So I'm going to use one sachet of chamomile. So that is how it looks like. Yes, so I think you can find it in any grocery store. So chamomile nourishes hair and improves the rate of hair growth. So using this magnificent herb can improve the overall structure of your hair, which is a win-win in the fight against brittle and split ends. But of course, it's quite questionable on split ends because there's no product that can actually, prevent or treat split ends except cutting them. So just one sachet, as you can see. So chamomile is also enjoyed as a tea and in form of oil, creams, and if you have used it in any other way, you can comment in the section below. So it's actually an old remedy power was recognized right away, and it was even sacred in ancient Egypt. So chamomile was valued not only as a herb that could heal any ailments, but Egyptians notably also used it in their beauty regimens. So at this point, make sure that you use hot water, or you can put it on heat, but I decided to do this method. And then I'm covering our beaker with aluminum foil so that it can infuse. So we are going to wait at least, for 30 minutes, and then your chamomile tea will be ready. So at this point, I'm going to add, our tea tree essential oil. So tea tree oil is naturally antimicrobial, meaning it can significantly reduce the presence of bacteria. So of course, there are several ways on how you can incorporate tea tree oil in your hair regimen. If you are new to the oil, you can start by picking up a shampoo and conditioner formulated with tea tree, but such products contain the actual oil, just a scent to reap some of the benefits. And I'm going to use our PE9010 preservative. This is a broad spectrum. We want our product to last. Like I'm one person who doesn't want to lose things. So at this point, our tea is ready. Look at that, friends. Look at that. Have you seen, like, it has infused well? Wow, it has infused well. And the color, wow, it's so beautiful. I love it. So chamomile also promotes hair growth and reduce hair fall. One common hair problem both women and men face is hair loss. So it's something that can reduce your self-esteem and decrease confidence. So people have been trying different types of methods for hair growth, but many people may never have heard from chamomile can actually help with hair growth. So chamomile has also been known to promote hair growth as it improves blood circulation to the scalp and to the hair follicles. So this way your scalp will be healthy to receive the nutrients needed for hair growth. Besides that, chamomile can also boost collagen production, helping in the growth of hair. So chamomile oil is also, effective in reducing hair loss too. It has important substances that can strengthen the hair follicles and thus reduces hair fall. Chamomile can also help if you have damaged hair. So if you have been using chemical treatments for your hair, such as rebonding, coloring, or perming, or anything that involves heat and harsh chemicals, there's a high chance your hair may be damaged. So hair damage is more than just split ends. It's dry, coarse, brittle, and dull. So luck for you, chamomile will also help to nourish your hair by moisturizing it and adding more moisture, creating healthier hair rich in vitamin C, E, and antioxidants. So chamomile can fight free radical damage and protect the hair from pollution, UV rays from the sun, and heat. So please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and share this video to friends and in platforms where you think they can benefit. So that is how our final product looks like, friends. I'm telling you, it smells nice. So at this point, I'm going to use my brand new hairspray. Like, I love hairspray very much, so whenever I come across beautiful sprays, I always go for them despite having more sprays. Yes, so it looks beautiful. As you can see, it's brand new. Yes, I love it. I just love the color and how it is made, and it was actually very affordable. So chamomile also contains, antioxidants that act as a natural exfoliator, which will help to sweep off dead skin cells from the scalp or buildup that has been collected on the scalp. As mentioned before, chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's also a strong antiseptic that is effective in treating dandruff. It hydrates and soothes the inflamed scalp, keeping it moisturized and therefore reducing dandruff. It also adds shine to your hair. Well, you know what? We all want shiny and lustrous look, don't we? So there are many tips and tricks to get that glossy hair. However, one thing you should add to your hair arrangement is chamomile shampoo that just do the trick. So chamomile keeps your hair healthy and adds shine to your locks while softening the hair. It gives the hair intense nourishment, making the hair healthy as ever. So you can also go for shampoos which have chamomile. I'm yet to formulate a shampoo with chamomile. Did you know that chamomile has a natural ability to lighten your hair? So chamomile can lighten your hair. So this is one of the most surprising hair benefits of chamomile. Chamomile lightens your hair naturally without the use of chemicals or harsh chemicals, resulting in having gorgeous natural highlights. It contains an enzyme that can limit the production of melanin, which is the pigment you can find in your hair as well as your skin that gives them the color. It works well on both natural and color treated hair. It is also good for oily hair. So everyone has an oily scalp. Sometimes a little oil is okay, though it helps to protect and support healthy growing hair. But if you feel a need to wash your hair so frequently, because by the end of the day, your hair gets super oily and greasy, then this might lead to more hair problems such as dandruff, clogged pores, accumulation of dairy, and most likely hair fall too. So this is overproduction of sebum that can be reduced by using chamomile. So it works to balance the acidity of the scalp, and this encourages oil production. So this in turn regulates and controls the production of oil on the scalp, preventing excess sebum, thus making your hair less oily. So friends, like, it smells so perfect. I love the smell of chamomile. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.